my fellow equalists. This is your leader, Amon. As you have heard, the Republic Council has voted to make me public enemy number 1, proving once again that the bending oppressors of this city will stop at nothing.
Head high, protest line, freedom scribbled on your